the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, a good Wednesday afternoon. Definitely a blustery day out there, and windy day as we have a wind advisory in effect across the Susquehanna Valley. That's for everybody, and that goes until 5 o'clock. So it will continue with the impact day until then. Sustained winds out of the west-northwest of 20 to 30 miles per hour are expected, and gusts up to 50 are possible, especially on those ridge tops. Strongest winds will be this afternoon, so over the next couple of hours, and that's why that advisory goes until 5 o'clock. And then we'll start to see the winds calm down a little bit over the evening and into tonight. So you just want to make sure those loose outdoor objects are secured. We could also see a few scattered power outages because of the winds here. And as we look at your weather planner, like I said, today, partly sunny and those strong wind gusts. That's why we have impact day today. High of 48 degrees. In fact, the high is occurring right now. So we're going to be seeing a very mild day. And then tonight, mostly clear. Those winds to calm down. And the part of the reason we dropped down to 24 is because those winds will be calming down. Tomorrow will be mostly sunny. It'll be cooler, but we won't be as windy. So tomorrow will be a bit of a nicer day, I think, even though it will be cooler. You're looking outside Lancaster right now, and it is quiet until you look at the winds. Winds are out of the west at 23 miles per hour. Gusts getting close to 40 in the city. It's 49 in Lancaster right now, so we'll see if we can get another degree there to hit 50. And we're already hitting 50 in some locations, but other places are still in the upper 40s. But it's windy everywhere. It does not matter where you are in the Susquehanna Valley. Definitely a windy day. Sustained winds of 20 to getting close to 30 miles per hour. You factor in those wind gusts, you could see 35 plus here, even a few 40s popping up already. Sustained winds right now coming in at 20 to 25 miles per hour, 28 there in Harrisburg, 26 in Carlisle, 23 in Lancaster, as well as Lebanon. And when we look at predictor wind gusts, you can see we stay in the 40s and upper 30s as we go through the afternoon. And then even into this evening, we're still going to see those wind gusts upwards of 35, 40 miles per hour, but then they taper off as we go into tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow morning around 7:30 in the morning. You can see it's a lot calmer here. So that's why tomorrow is not going to be as bad of a day, or at least windy, I should say. We're also tracking some snow squall warnings to our north. Temperatures are way too warm here for anything to stick here. So as that line approaches, first off, is expected to weaken. And if it does end up making it into the Susquehanna Valley, it will likely be all rain as this cold front pushes on through. It will reinforce that breezy conditions for this afternoon. High pressure takes control tomorrow. Thursday looking like a really good day here before we see some rain that will be approaching on Friday. So Friday, we're tracking a system here that will bring us some light to moderate scattered showers across the area. That will be most of the day on Friday. So you'll just want to make sure you have the umbrella and rain jacket around for the end of the work week and end of January as well on Friday. We'll be seeing those temperatures drop back into the upper 30s for your Saturday and Sunday as we say hello to February, and also for Groundhog Day on Sunday. And then we'll be seeing temperatures make another run towards 50, Susan, as we head into Monday. But it's all going to depend on the cloud cover next Monday. We'll see if we can do it, but if we can get more sunshine, I think we'll do it again.
All right, thank you.